I should be recording this. I really want us today just to be focusing on being able to graph a polynomial, any polynomial, and adjust that window on our calculator so that we can see the whole graph. Okay. You can borrow one of mine there on my desk. I forgot. I do have some on my. I've still got my algebra one. I have a class set. I need to borrow. I don't always have those, but this is graphing polynomials.
Graphing polynomials.
All right, I want you to take out your calculator. Donovan. All right, here we go. Go to y equals. The button that says y equals. Remember, your plots need to be off. Clear out anything that's there, okay? Hit y equals. If it's highlighted, go up, hit enter, and it should unhighlight it. So you don't want any of the plots highlighted. Okay? Y equals 0.2. 0.2. The button right here beside the alpha is your x button. So 0.2 x to the third.
How do you put your
The button right beside alpha, beside the green alpha button. Minus 5x squared. Hit the right arrow. Plus 38x minus 97. Enter.
Dang it! Thanks for the entire thing.
Oh, nice.
0.2 minus what? What's
X cubed minus 97.
X cubed, okay.
Minus 5x squared
Minus 5x squared
plus 38x
plus 38x
minus 97.
minus 97.
Yes? Okay, so now what I want you to do, remember, when we're in this screen, to get a standard 10 by 10 window, I do what? Zoom 6. Now, looking at this, clearly I can't see everything I need to see, right? Okay. So I don't want you to start using the zoom functions. Zoom in goes in closer. I want you to start playing around with the window itself, okay? Zoom 6.
So why
Zoom 6 don't mean this.
is this what you have?
Okay. Standard form. Yeah. It's a 10 by 10 window. It goes from negative 10 to 10, negative 10 to 10.
So you want to change my name?
You typed the equation in wrong. Point 2. Because you went hit Zoom 6. And reset. And then we'll talk to you about it. All right, everybody go into your window right now. If this is what I see, I need to see more, right? I need to see way further down for sure. I don't know what's happening left and right.
Negative 30.
So, you want to try negative 30? On what? The X or the Y?
Y minimum.
On the Y minimum, Cullen says go to negative 30. And take the Y max. You want to go up to 30 on the Y max? I don't know if there's anything above, but we'll try it.
No,
I did
I think 10 might be good. I don't know that there's anything any higher. Let's keep it at 10. The scale, see the button that says scale, SCL? That's how often you want a tick mark. Okay, you know how sometimes y'all adjust it to every 2 or 5 or whatever? That's what that is, okay?
So what was it? What's the default?
10 to 10, negative 10 to 10. So what we did was we're taking the Y down to negative 30, and I'm just going to hit graph, and I'm going to see what it looks like now. It looks like that now, but it looks like it's doing something else off to the right. That means your minimum is bigger than your maximum. Your min's got to be less than your max when you hit window. Min's got to be this. If you get a range error, listen, because this is what everybody does. If you get a range error, your minimum has to be smaller than your maximum. Not the same value, but it's got to be smaller.
Mine's just low.
Why did?
Okay, so Amy, you took it out to what? You took what to negative 20? You took everything to negative 20?
X minimum at 0 and then X maximum at 20.
All right, you did. Say that again, Olivia.
That's what?
You put the X min at 0. Okay, so that's going to cut off all of the left side, right?
Yeah.
And then the maximum you took up to what?
30
30.
or 20.
Okay. I'm going to do a scale of 2 on each one of these so I don't have quite so many tick marks. But that's completely and totally up to you. Let's see what happens now. Oh, I'm getting a pretty good picture of my graph, right? And I might go with you, Olivia. I might shave off and take that X out to 20 instead of 30. Do you all see what I'm doing as far as trying to get a good picture of the graph? So this is the window that I have. Okay. This is the hardest part for students for some reason, is being able to adjust this window so that you can see the whole graph and get a good viewing window. Because what we're going to do, as we start analyzing, we're going to need to see all this good stuff in the graph. We're going to need to see every... Oh, no.
Good job.
Logan, I'm at... All right. Here we are. What I was saying is, as we start our analysis, we're going to be looking for things like, let's see if I can get this working right on it. We're going to be looking for things like where it crosses the axis. We're going to be looking for things like these points. Yeah. And we're going to talk about tomorrow what those mean and what those are. But tonight, what I want you focused on is, what's a good viewing window where I can see the whole function? So I'll give you a function like this. I'll ask that you tell me, what did you set your window as? So you would say, for this function, I set it as... So everybody's is going to be a little different, right? 0 to 20 on the X and negative 30 to 10 on the Y. Okay, that's a good viewing window. And then I want you just to sketch what you see. Okay? So that's all you're doing. You're going to have 10 tonight. Sketch. Tell me the window. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Sure.
So like, is that a good enough sketch?